Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, you know these wives, especially Umbali, throughout the season has been saying one thing. Ukuthi umuntu that brings division oxabanisa abantu, or at least the wives, is umusa. And there was something that was said on yesterday's episode that made me think, yes, umusa, guys. I umusa will go and copy one story to one wife like this, I jigger that side, and then it makes people fight. Because tell me why Umangwabe, when Umatele has a meeting with them, right, about Utubabake, a song has contributed to him being hospitalized. And I said, Uguti, I was waiting for Umbali's response because I knew Umbali Ken was going to say, like, I'm not the cause for the stress. In her diary session, she says, Uguti, I abang Uchumatele umamkulu, ukulumi puta, because she says Umusa told her when he came back from that meeting with the Tele family, Iabo Samke, and something like that, he came back and he told Umbalu Uguti that Tele stressed him. I'm like, why would Umusa tell Umangwabe that, you guys? So Umangwabe is saying, no, we're not the ones who stressed him, because Umusa came back saying that to me after having a meeting with the Tellers. So the Tellers know Uguti Menzeni, what conversation they had with him that made him AM Kupule is stressy. And I'm just like, why would Umusa say that? Because to me, that meeting with the Tellers, well, at least if we're talking about the same meeting, it looked like the meeting with the Tellers went well. There was nothing that seemed as if it was stressing him. The Tellers just said, Utibona, they want a peace offering. But bafuna ini guys, or goat or sheep or something, some sort of animal for each and every wife. I don't know Uguti why would that stress him, because when he was speaking there, he didn't seem Uguti like he's stressed or anything like that. But anyway, he says that, Kumbali, right? And I'm just like, Mbali, ma'am, next season, Umbatele is going to be here for you. She is going to address Leandaba because, hey, guys, and listen, we've all been complaining with the Taylor family. Guys, they need to, they need to just curb their enthusiasm as Bashong Islungu, which means that they need to calm down a little bit, you guys. And then Umatele says, Uguti, no, Ubabaike, the reason why he has stress is because we are not united as wives. And the thing is, Umusa, when he's speaking with Umpumelelo, he's saying the same thing. Bushibuti, him and Umatele knows this. Maybe they had the same type of conversation. Umatele, this unity thing, I'm stressed. But tell me why Umpumelelo then comments, Uguti, how Baba Besisi, I told you, don't stress yourself about this. Why is he having conversations, Umpumelelo, about the unity of the family and whatnot? Do you understand? So, guys, now I'm just like, why? Because even the thing of why he even said that Tumbali, guys, I feel like Musa sometimes, and you know what, to be quite fair, you guys, pillow talk, nyayazi pillow talk, when you get to the bed and indaba just comes out of your mouth, maybe ushawa pillow talk, guys, angazi. But Umusa, knowing he has so many wives, he needs to work around this, because this thing is going to make people fight. It has made people fight. It makes some people feel like they are superior. It makes some people feel like they are not being told about such things. Like, it's just not right. Over and above that, I do think, guys, that also these wives need to they need to utilize some sort of wisdom when it comes to this. Guys, we all know when you have a partner, right? You learn your partner and you know your partner's shortcomings. And it happens, Ugutu, one of Umusa's shortcomings, according to what we see, is that he blabs or not. So as a wife, if you know Ugutu, he blabs a lot, then learn to keep quiet. If your husband mentions something like, Mangwabe, if a husband said that, she should have just kept quiet about it and just you know. But the thing is, like, I would too late because Umusa will come here and I into and embarrass you. Then you end up feeling like you need to defend yourself. Like utobile, guys. In all honesty, she has tried to keep quiet about the Mayeni situation. Who got married first? The only time she decided to speak about it was when Umusa made it seem as if she was just a girl who was not married and whatnot, and that's when she decided to clarify it. So it's difficult to work around it. The man who up Jigele, and when he's trying to impress his other wives, he uses your name or he uses you. Guys, this situation, yeah. Hi, them Selegus are going through it. But I'm just like, Mbali, my babe. Guys, in relationship, Kambali, no matter like Angi, I understand. Because it looks like they get on, or let me not say they get along. They look like they respect one another, but respect one another well. In all honesty, out of all the wives' relationships, besides Utobilo no Mangwabe, because they are young, they are just never minds, they get along well. Out of the rest, I would say Umatsale and Umangwabe have a very cordial relationship. I commend them for that. But Umbali in her diary sessions, listen, I was just like, for her to even say "Wutu matalung" about Wutu kulumi puta, like there's nothing disrespectful about that. But I'm just like, ma'am, hey guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.